Well, boys, it is officially morning, about 8 a.m. Got all our stuff out of there, and we are going to be starting to head on to the next checkpoint. Get the car all warmed up. You ready for today, Mr. Sunburn?
Yeah, buddy. I'm fucking burnt, bro. I'm fucking red lobster. Bro, I lived in Florida all my life. Never gotten sunburned ever.
Yeah, you see.
Come to Kansas and bumblefuck world, and look, I'm burnt like a freaking red tomato. I guess.
Then you got Chris and I. We're both like, we're going to get sunscreen.
I'm good.
We're not getting burnt. Hell no. So
now, baby.
Now, oh yeah, okay. Now he learns. We're gonna fire this thing up, let it warm up, start on our drive. Like I told you guys, we got a 5.5 hour drive today, 340 miles. We do have a checkpoint to go to as well that we gotta stop and kind of take a detour, take a picture of the car, prove we went that way. So it could very well be longer, you know, 6 hours, 6.5 hours. So it's gonna be a long day of driving, and especially open downpipe. So I'm sure we're gonna have a migraine by the end of the day. And from there, we have no racing today. So we have racing the next morning. So we're just gonna hang out, go get some dinner, and get some rest finally. Get ready for a track. Here we are. We are ready to get on this drive, guys. This is what we got. Time to go. Rolling up, take a break. We made it so far 118 miles into our trip. We got some other racers over here.
85 here.
Oh yeah, baby, we're pumping up on the 85 here. That's why everyone's
That's why everybody here.
Yeah. There we go.
Wait, am I on this side? Nope, it's on that side. God damn it.
Rookie.
Oh shit, Bajo City. Bajo City.
Well, we're gonna top off some gas and get on to the rest of our trip here. We got another over 100 miles till we get closer to our checkpoint. I believe after this 100 miles that we're gonna be at the point where we are at our checkpoint. We can take a picture, and then from there we start heading to the track. Look at that though, we got an E85, 234 gallons. Hell yeah.
Woo!
We're all fueled up. Time to start heading out. More racers are coming in. You ready? Time to get back on the road. Go. On the road again.
Yeah, buddy.
Here we go. Another 100 miles. And it is starting to get warm out, guys. Just will focus there. 88 degrees out. So definitely getting warmer. Well, we officially have made it to our first checkpoint, guys. We are probably about 220 miles into our trip here. This is right up on the left. We need to take a photo in front of what says Petrified gas station there. So that's what they're doing over there. They're grabbing their photos. We'll jump in, get our photos, and head on back out. Well, we're just wrapping it up here. Went ahead and got a couple things from O'Reilly's so we can drain the oil, change the oil when we get to our next track, which is about 126 miles from here. And got a couple towels to keep wet because it is freaking hot out here. It's about 97 or 98 degrees. You can tell, obviously, that's why we still got the hat and glasses on. Sunscreen, this guy still, he finally learned. He put some sunscreen on. He's still burnt, so he's screwed no matter what. But this thing's all ready to go. Trunk is completely packed. At least we got the short end of the trip left now. Car's been doing awesome, guys. 180 coolant temps. You know, we're staying ambient on our oil temps, just staying right at the temperature it is outside. You know, anywhere from 90s to 100 degrees on our oil temp. So everything's been great. super happy with the motor so far. Let's see if we can keep on pushing our way through this event. Today is only day 2 and we are only driving. Tomorrow we will be racing, so I think we'll get to see more on the car and how, you know, reliable, I guess that word would be after tomorrow. Let's fingers crossed.
Don't say that word.
Hey,
we don't say that word.
So we're gonna get back on the road, get to the next place, and go out and have some dinner and get out of this freaking heat. Well, here we are, guys. We made it. We are now in Pueblo, I think is how you say it, Colorado. It was about 340-mile drive today, and it was so hot. When we got here, it was 105 degrees, guys. Thankfully, the car was doing good, and our coolant temps were saying, you know, mid-190s, and they were staying good to go. So we are here now. We don't race till in the morning, so we went and got some nice dinner instead of fast food, and now we're gonna go enjoy some AC because it is way too hot out here. And then in the morning, we'll be back at it. You guys will see. Hopefully, we can keep on going for a low 10. Hopefully, maybe get a 9, get our average a little better. So I will see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna take a break from this for today, and we're gonna go enjoy our night. Good morning, guys. We're back out here, and it is already getting to be pretty warm out this morning. It shows it's going to be about 98 degrees today, and for some reason, I don't know why they did this for the tracks. They start at 3 o'clock and it runs 3 to 9 p.m. Literally the hottest part of the day is when we got to race. So not looking too forward to that. We are a lot higher in elevation here where we are. I believe when he checked, it was 4,800 or 4,900 last night in elevation. So we did make some tune adjustments to the car. Obviously, you know, we're going to be down on some boost, so we add a little bit more duty cycle to it to get our target boost, and hopefully that works out for today. We get a good pass. Going back through and looking through our class of where we're at, it looks like some others turned in some slips later that night, so we are currently in 3rd place right now. There was a car that went a 983, I believe is what it was, 81, and then a 10.00 something, and then obviously we're at 10.23. So we're really hoping that we can get in a lower pass than a 10.2 today, at least get our average down, and continually do that until we get back to the first track, which is at right around 1,800 feet of elevation. So hopefully we can. Car's out here doing great. Just about ready to start this thing up and let it warm up for today. Our hotel, we're about 10-15 minutes from the track, but we're gonna have to get our sheet of paper out here and go back on our direction sheet, so that way we can make sure to follow our path that we're supposed to, because we get a little printout that I showed you guys earlier in the video where we have to follow their directions and follow their paths to get to the track and checkpoint. So we're gonna be doing that and get to the track, get all set up. It's like I said, it's early in the morning right now, so we're just getting ready to head there. That way we're ready to go. We're gonna do an oil change on the car, go over the whole car, put the different tires on the car, get tire pressure set, just be ready so we can make our first pass right at that 3 o'clock mark, so that way if anything we can make another pass. You ready for today or what?
Excited, man. I think we're gonna do good.
Yeah.
See what this altitude does to us, but should be all right.
Could be all right. So we're gonna get heading out there. We'll see you guys there. Well, we've made it to the 2nd track.
Yeah.
Hopefully today goes good, right, guys?
That's right.
So
Gotta be better than yesterday.
gotta be better than yesterday.
Front bumpers gotta stay on. Gotta stay on.
Some body parts might stay on, right?
Necessary.
Or we're gonna pass that luck on to you guys. We're gonna see a Camaro here without a rear bumper by the end of the day.
No. Hey, it's fine. Let's wait.
Exactly.
Let's drag.
Exactly. So it looks like everybody's starting to roll in here. It's about 10 a.m. Racing starts at 3 p.m. So I imagine it's gonna get pretty full here, guys. You know, or we might have lost a lot of people yesterday in that 100-degree drive. So we're gonna get all set up here, and we need to make a run. We're gonna go get a couple misters, some water, you know, the basics that we're gonna need to survive this damn near 100-degree weather today. So I'll catch you guys up as soon as we get closer to racing. We're just gonna get set up now, doing the boring stuff, obviously, you know, getting stuff out of the cars, getting all set up, draining the oil. So as soon as we get doing some stuff, you guys will see. Yeah, get that stuff out of there, guy. Unload this thing. Thing's freaking packed to the rim.
No, I didn't want to get back first.
You ready, guy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, at least it's cooled down quite a bit.
Yeah, it's cool.
Feels a lot better.
It's real cold right now.
So just set some tire pressure up right now on the car. Getting ready to roll. Looking good.
35 pounds OEM spec.
Perfect. Perfect. So we are in line now, guys. Like I said, it's cooled down a lot. I mean, it was about 95 degrees earlier, and now feels about lower 90s right now, or we're just getting used to it. But everything's going good. We're getting ready to get this thing in. Hopefully get it closer down to the 10.0 region like we want to. But with the heat and altitude, we did make some changes, so we'll see how they do. And if anything, we can always run this thing later, try to get that time we want, right?
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's do this. Broke the drive shaft. Saw that coming, guys. There she is. Let's go get her. Yeah, you broke the rear diff and drive shaft all in one.
I tell them put it in neutral, but it don't matter.
Right? Don't matter at this point. That Honda boy clutch got him. Well, maybe we broke the rest of it. There she goes.
I was gonna say it's gonna start dropping transfer or something.
Yeah.
Trans fluid. Hey, close your door, John. Trans fluid. Close your door.
Come down as soon as I call you, please. We're running fast. We expect you to too. And like I said, the plan is we want to get as many runs as we can. Everybody sitting out there and stands out there and says, yeah, I want to see all these cars a bunch of times. Okay, we'll do our part. You do yours. We're going to make passes.
Careful of the. Yeah. I was just trying to make sure he didn't like do more damage.
Came out a bit too hard, buddy. Saw it in the burnout box. As soon as it bogged in the burnout box, front wheel stopped spinning. Yeah. Yeah. Fortunately, a little bit too much hook. And a little bit too much not wheel spin. So, well, we're going to get the thing back over to the trailer. Don't believe we have a spare rear diff and drive shaft. So. All right, you guys would have killed me if I didn't record this outro, because I'm pretty good at not recording outros. JP over here, in our Honda boy, I might as well sign his ass up with Travis because he sidestepped that clutch so hard. He just spit his damn beer out.
It's beer 30 now.
Sidestepping Jimmy, got the best of him again.
Yeah, nah, fuck that competition clutch. That's what it was.
No,
Time to switch to an executive.
Y'all know what I run, but I didn't say
the
it.
real issue. It's no shoestrings.
Yeah, I got no shoestrings.
Doc, what's going on here?
Yeah, I broke this piece
Shoestrings?
of shit.
Oh, he broke it already. So, if you guys didn't see in the video, it broke the rear drive shaft, which obviously became from the rear diff on the car. So, that is why it broke. It broke the rear end, and when I broke that pinion off, it slapped the drive shaft on the ground. broke it in half. Same thing you guys saw me do in Texas, and no, I didn't do it on this one. This is all him. He did that. So the reason why you see him being pretty frustrated about his clutch, guys, is, well, now the door doesn't want to open, but if you look in here, and I hope you guys can see that, look how much higher that clutch pedal is than the brake pedal. So he's been having some issues ever since he put the clutch in here, that it just didn't want to go in gear. Whatever, you know, manufacturing problem or whatever it might be, he didn't have enough time to send it back, so he just tried to make it work, and making it work ultimately cost him some money in parts, unfortunately, and whatever that might be of that problem. So that's all right. That's going to be how this trip does end. Unfortunately, we didn't get to continue. We are on day 3. We did only race at one track. We drove to the next one. That was the first pass of this track. So no, a Subaru has not made it through all the way on what is it, version 1. I know there's a 2.0 of this that we do have some friends that have completed. This probably would have, we wouldn't have sidestepped it. Wish I could have been in the car, but we are ending it out on that note. Got to meet a bunch of great people, great races here. Got to meet and actually hang out with PF High Speed quite a bit, and we did talk to these guys as well. So it's definitely a great trip, great experience, getting to enjoy my time with everybody, getting to see some friends I don't get to see because they're on the east side of the state. So he's talking to some fans over here. I'm going to wrap this video out here on this note. That is Rocky Mountain Race Week to an end. We broke the car. Not going to be able to continue, unfortunately, but you know what? That's all right. Till next time, I'll see you guys in another video, and you guys want to stick around for it. So see you guys later. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground.